couple things. Number one, I omitted certain things from this video in order to make it look more polished than it actually is, and if I don't get these out, I'm going to feel really guilty about it. So number one, somewhere along the lines, my Lapras developed Down syndrome of sorts, so I cut that out of the video. I took a shortcut and I used the Maya auto rig tool, and things kind of went haywire there. Also, I mean, his water attacks coming out of his neck, so. Also, I had trouble getting the correct angle of the gym with respect to the ground. I don't know if it's because the gym is so big, if it's a limitation of ARkit because it has to scan such a big area. It also could be that I'm on like the newest beta version of iOS 11, and in general the phone is having trouble like getting its correct orientation. So I'm not 100% sure what the issue is, but I don't want to work on this anymore. I want to do something else. So I'm going to put this project on GitHub, and if anybody wants to try to fix it, feel free. Okay, second thing is, I know I said I was going to do a tutorial on AR Minecraft, but I just really don't want to anymore. A lot of people have been contacting me asking me about doing a GPS tutorial where you could place an object at a particular latitude and longitude, so I think I'm going to go in that direction. That's actually why I made this video. I was trying to get exposed to Mapbox and get familiar with it so that we can do a video maybe with Mapbox and maybe GameSpark so we can write the location of objects to a database. Some people have also suggested making a GPS app where you could go to a particular location and geotag a message at that location. So say, for example, you go to a restaurant, type in "this sucks," it writes those coordinates up to a database, and then when you open up your AR camera, you can actually see like all those messages placed throughout the world. I think that would be a pretty good use case, and it should be relatively easy to do with like Unity, GameSparks, and ARkit. I was thinking we could also maybe do something with the WRLD 3D SDK, which I tried and it is incredible, by the way. It's basically Mapbox, but it allows you to add colliders and everything to the ground and to buildings. So if you open up the sample scene, you can actually just add a rigid body to the camera and literally drive around the whole world. It's incredibly fun and super easy to play with. They also put out a demo where they used this with ARkit, and the results were pretty amazing. So let me know in the comments what you guys want to see in this next tutorial. If you want to join more of this discussion on AR, Tushar Parang was nice enough to create us a Discord group, so I will link to that down in the description. And that's all I got. Goodbye.